we will be looking at Vim, the improved text editor. So I wanted to spend a couple of minutes real quickly in this relatively short course talking about the differences between VI and Vim. So VI was really derived from a number of very old Unix or Nix-based text editors, command line editors. Editors like Ed and Nano, for example, that were initially designed to work on teletypes rather than display terminals. As a result, you'll find that VI by itself has much more limited functionality than VIM or Vim, and it is only available on Nix-type operating systems, Linux, Unix, AIX, Sun OS, etc. Whereas Vim was originally developed on the Amiga OS and then was eventually ported cross-platform to a ton of other platforms. Right now, Vim is available on Windows, OS X, all versions of Linux, AIX, Sun OS, all BSD. It's also available on Amiga, OS2, and the soon-to-be-released Blue Lion. Now, there are a couple of different ways that you can run Vim. You can run it directly within your terminal, or you can run it if it has compiled GUI support, or of course there's distribution-specific or X-Windows-specific Vim encapsulators like GVim, which is the GNOME version of Vim. So what are the differences? Most Linux distributions will have both installed. However, some of them will only have by default, particularly in minimal installations, will only have the VI text editor installed. In fact, if we do a which VI, we're currently running on a CentOS. We do which VI, it happens to be installed in the bin directory. If we do a which on Vim, we'll also see that it's installed in bin. So if we do an lsal, and let's take a look at whatever's installed with a VI in our directory, we'll see that we have VI and Vim installed, and then there's a couple of things that point to different items. For example, view being the read-only view mechanism for VI is pointing directly at VI, whereas Vim diff, which is intended to be a file differentiation between one or more files, is pointed to Vim because it has the additional features that are only available inside of Vim. What are some of the features that Vim has that VI does not? Well, functionally, keep in mind that Vim is really a superset of VI. So everything that's available in VI is available in Vim, but not vice versa. So Vim adds on a number of features, and some of them are, for example, Vim allows you to create a .vimrc file that allows you to also add a number of different plugins. And they give you those plugins give you finer control over syntax highlighting, configuration, and the types of files and code completion behavior that you can expect to see inside the improved editor. One of the more popular features that Vim introduced was multi-level undo or redo. So in the past, and as we see when we learn how to use Vim and navigate through our text files, we can use the J command from within the command mode in order to undo a specific command, but VI only had the ability to undo the last command, whereas Vim provides the ability to undo the last 4 commands, so you have multi-level undo and redo. Vim will also allow you to split the screen for editing multiple files, and it can edit files inside of a compressed archive like a gzip or a tar or a bzip file.